Hey YouTube, hi everyone. I heard that Sonic Boom 2013 was a blast yesterday. I couldn't go, I was bummed. I saw the cutscene from Sonic Boom 2013. I thought it was really nice, but still Eggman still doesn't learn his lesson. He's just a pain in the butt, and a lot of people watch the cutscene and they like it, and that's good. And I am just bummed I couldn't go to Sonic Boom because it was like an inspiration to me because I had so much fun. I had so much fun that day when Sonic Boom was going on. But I didn't go. I wanted to watch it live stream. I only watched it a little bit. But I love Sonic Boom. It was the best. The best ever. I couldn't believe it. It was good. I hope Sonic Boom comes back to California next year. I'll be delighted to have it back at the House of Blues next year. For next year for Sonic Boom 2014. But you know, House of Blues, that's the great place to have Sonic Boom next year. My request at the fans' Sega, because I want to get a chance to go this time, and if it's closer to the convention. There's Comic-Con going on and all that stuff. So if you guys have Sonic Boom 2014 at the House of Blues, that would be nice, because I would enjoy myself. It's a special request for me, and I want to see my Sonic because he's the best, and I just hope that Sonic will be at San Diego, California next year. So I'm just sitting here at the coffee shop. I had an amazing dream last night about Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh my god, it was like the greatest dream ever. The dream that I would not forget forever. And I live with my Sonic plushie with me because he's at home sleeping. So it's just me on my tablet. So I hope all the people had a good time at Sonic Boom, and I'll see you guys later.